What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I am not mad at this project, a Ferrari Roma wide body. I know. Being based off of the Maserati Alfieri, being one of the most beautiful cars on the market today, chopped up and turned into a wide body. I know. But hear me out. The Ferrari Roma, it represents a sort of revolution for the modern car manufacturer. Despite having been on the market for less than a year, the car has already captured the attention of many, and the aesthetic side of the Roma is characterized by balance between contemporary and faithful principles of the brand's old school design. It has futuristic elements such as the grille design and LED light clusters, both present in the front and rear, and the gorgeous bonnet with prominent fenders reminiscent of the front engine GTs built before the late 1960s and mid 1970s. Well, the most demanding buyers have the opportunity to take advantage of a tailor-made department to create the Ferrari Roma of their dreams. However, this digital project shows a wide body concept version, and although the wheel arches were simply widened, this modification alone changes the appearance of the prancing horse 2x2 coupe significantly. Now, the only real feature proposed by this project is the set of wheels made by Rotiform. Apart from the non-stock rims and the additional wide body kit, the prancing horse supercar hasn't changed much from the original model. But this also means that under the hood, you'll find that same 3.9 liter F154 bi-turbo V8 engine capable of developing an output of 620 horsepower and 760 newton meters of maximum torque between 3,000 and 5,750 RPM. Now, the power unit has been mounted at the front center position and is flanked by the same 8-speed F1 dual clutch transmission as the SF90 Stradale. Now, according to the official data, the Ferrari Roma can take 3.4 seconds to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers and 9.3 seconds from 0 to 200 kilometers, while the maximum speed tops out at 320 kilometers. So again, this is still just two major changes to the Roma that you see in this digital project, but it looks pretty good. Now, because of the fact that the Roma already looks so good, you only really have to change the fenders and wheels to kind of give it that wide body stance and that mean aggressive look. Now, it went from elegant to straight up beast, but I kind of like this take on the Roma. And again, I know it's blasphemy because it's one of the most beautiful cars on the market today, but doing this kind of, it kind of takes away from that. But at the same time, I'm kind of really digging this elegant muscle car Ferrari type. So with that said, what do you guys think about a wide body Ferrari Roma? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the first look at the Ferrari Roma wide body. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also check out the Ron's Rides merch. You guys want to get a t-shirt, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides, I have it there. You can also check out the Patreon, be a monthly subscriber, or check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.